Welcome back to The Car Collective, the channel where we bring you the most exciting updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of cars and future automotive icons. Today, we're talking about a car that feels less like a machine and more like a vision of what's possible when passion, technology, and heritage come together. The 2026 Ferrari F80. This car isn't just another Ferrari. It's a hypercar that represents the future of performance, an engineering statement that shows Ferrari isn't slowing down as the world shifts to electrification. At first glance, the Ferrari F80 looks like something pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. Its design is aggressive yet sculpted, combining razor-sharp aerodynamics with fluid lines that honor Ferrari's DNA. Every curve and vent on the F80 serves a purpose: to cut drag, maximize airflow, and keep the car pinned to the ground at high speeds. With a wide stance, ultra-low ride height, and futuristic LED lighting, the F80 is a rolling piece of art that also happens to be a performance monster. Under the hood, Ferrari has gone for a revolutionary setup. The F80 is powered by a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V8 engine, producing over 1,000 horsepower. That's right. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car that redefines what speed feels like. With Formula One-inspired hybrid technology, the F80 blends raw combustion power with instant electric torque, allowing it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.2 seconds. Its top speed? Well over 230 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Ferraris ever created. This isn't just about speed in a straight line, though. The F80 has been designed with track dominance in mind, featuring advanced aerodynamics, lightweight carbon fiber construction, and cutting-edge suspension systems that keep it balanced and sharp, even at extreme limits. Inside, Ferrari has taken a minimalist but futuristic approach. The cockpit feels like it's built around the driver, with a yoke-style steering wheel inspired by F1 cars, fully digital displays, and an immersive heads-up interface that keeps performance data front and center. The materials are, of course, top-tier: Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, crafted with Ferrari's signature attention to detail. Unlike luxury grand tourers, the F80 doesn't focus on comfort for long drives. Instead, it's a cockpit for performance, stripped down to enhance the thrill of driving. What makes the F80 even more important is its role in Ferrari's future. With global regulations pushing automakers toward electrification, Ferrari has managed to create a hypercar that respects its combustion heritage while embracing modern hybrid technology. The F80 proves that electrification doesn't have to kill emotion. It can enhance it. It's the bridge between Ferrari's roaring V12 past and a new era where electricity and innovation amplify performance rather than replace it. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just another hypercar. It's a symbol of evolution. It's Ferrari telling the world that even in a changing landscape, passion and performance will always come first. Whether you're a lifelong Ferrari enthusiast or just someone who loves seeing the boundaries of automotive engineering pushed to the max, the F80 demands attention. So, what do you think? Is the Ferrari F80 the ultimate future hypercar, or will rivals from Bugatti, McLaren, and Lamborghini steal its thunder? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to The Car Collective, and stay tuned for more reviews and reveals of the cars shaping our automotive future.